Hi, it's Chris here from the Hard Article Spy. I want to show you how to do something very cool with the software, because if you've got the software, you know that you can find articles with it in these article directories, and you can find them based on the number of views that they've had, based on dates and so forth. But with the latest build of the Hard Article Spy 2.0, you can spin articles with it, and of course you can spin an article that you find from these directories, or you can go straight to the article spinner. And I just want to show you how to use this great feature of the software. Now, essentially what you have here is a panel in which you can copy and paste your article. Although we don't show copy and paste options in the right-click menu, you can use the Control and C for copying and the Control and V for pasting. So I'm going to paste an article here, and it's an article that I've opened. It's a PLR article that I have in Word, and I'm going to take this title. I'm going to press Control and C, and I'm going to go up to the title panel, and I'm going to add it in there. And now in the article, I'm just going to remove that, and the next thing to do is to save the composition. So I'm not going to show you how I'm saving it. I'll just skip past that and we'll move on to the next part of the demonstration. But always after you've pasted in your article, you need to save it, because the software needs to refer to the original article and to make some auto saves as you're working with it. So we've got the article saved, and now the next thing to do is to make your changes. So we can go through and select words. Now you notice that the font changed as soon as we added this string. That's because the software uses a panel here which can recognize word formatting, but it wants to remove most of it just to leave you with paragraph formatting. You can see that it respects URLs but not HTML, so that's why we've got these additional bits of code here that have come across from a Word document, and let's remove those. And as you see, we can go through and we can add different options that will be spun to our document. Now we've got this saved, remember. As we're going along, we'll want to save the composition again, because we want to save it including these tags that we're adding in here, or this syntax for the spin options. And that's really it. You can just go straight to this button, open up even now I could open another instance of this and start creating another one. I won't do that because it's much easier to work with one article at a time, to put your spin syntax in. Then you can spin it. If we do that now, we see the document at the bottom is the spun version, and so we see here it's replaced lucrative with profitable, and is replace profit with income, and so forth. So it's very easy to use, and remember, as you're adding in words to the database, at least if you're using this every day, sync your database every day, synchronize it. What that does is it updates the local database on your PC with other user suggestions, so it will help you to be able to use the auto spinning feature very quickly to rewrite articles for you. And we'll just show you how that works. If we put the auto suggestions button here, when the database is finished, this button comes back to normal, so it's been updated. We can either use the favorites that are based on the choices that you make as you're editing and adding spin options in, or based on what other users have done. So we basically keep a total score of the popularity of these, and then it searches through A to Z for words that we have in the popular synonyms database that users have used. And it's dead easy. We can either select that word if we wanted to go for it, we can select next and it finds another word here, we can select that, we've got another one here, and so forth, and we can keep going through our article. We'll skip that one, add that one, as you can see it's really easy to use, and only takes a few minutes. You can go for automatic, but we don't recommend that unless you're working within a specific niche. The way to use automatic is to use it with your own favorites after you've done one or two documents within a specific niche. It will be far more accurate based on your choices. So that's a quick look at how to use the Hot Article Spy just as an article spinner. Here we see we have this option to export. We just simply add the number of articles we want to export. We can go back again here and spin because now we've added more options here. And you can see how that's working. If we wanted to add additional titles, which essentially would just swap between the titles we add, we just right click anywhere here in the title view and we add new title text. That opens up this form. We just drop in whatever the title is that we want to do there and it will rotate. Or we can use the spin syntax, sorry, getting ahead of myself, in the title. If we wanted to change one or two of the words, we can do it that way as well. So that's a very quick overlook. In about 7 minutes we've covered how to create articles, how to spin them, all within this. Now you could actually just type your own article. That's another way of doing article rewriting and spinning. You could just come to this form, go straight ahead, put a title in and type it all in. But we've done this way to show you far quicker with copying and pasting from a PLR document. Hope you've enjoyed this. See you soon. Bye.